Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video, my beautiful people. And today we're going to be making some curry goat, and of course the goat washed and ready for the video light. So we are gonna season it. So first let's go in with some all-purpose seasoning. Yes, you need that to spike up the taste. And I'm adding some salt and of course some blended seasoning. You don't want to leave this out, and I will link the video down below for that. And of course, listen, it is curry goat, so what you need: curry powder. Yes, add some curry powder, so maybe like 2 tablespoons, right? And the it to any nicely seasoned meat is to make sure you season it good, any food as a matter of fact. So yeah, I'm adding some more curry powder, and then go ahead and stir, or just mix it up. And the best thing for your meat is to season it from even the day before. 24 hours make it even nicer. So yeah, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of oil and also some curry powder. So about a tablespoon of oil and some curry powder. So Vibes from, I wanted you to hear the sound on that so that you know that you have the fire low. So it's high enough just to get a little sizzle on the curry powder, because we're just trying to just cook it a little bit, right? And you don't want to burn it. So don't have the fire too high, have it on low. And when you're ready to add in the goat, then that is when you would turn up the fire a bit. So Vibes fam, even though this is curry goat, the same thing always apply whether I'm doing chicken or whatever. Oh, look how beautifully seasoned that is. I just love zooming in and see the, you see the nice little seasoning on it. Anyway, so yeah, you want to still just, when you add the goat, stir it up a bit, right? It's like you're searing the meat, right? You're trying to get the nice seasoning and everything all down into it. So we're going to do that until it is not sticking to the pot anymore, right? And you can see a little bit of juice coming through, and then we're going to cover it for about 10 minutes. I love to just naturally make some juice come through first, and then I add water, right? So yeah, go ahead and just stir that. You're gonna be doing that for about 3 to 5 minutes, right? Give it a nice little sear, curry seared, and then cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. Vibes fam, isn't that gorgeous? Yes, it is so nice. And look at that. Look at niceness. Look at natural body. I just be a naturalness. I come through natural juice. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna give that a little stir, right? And then we're gonna push the meat to the side because we're gonna add some hot water. So you just wanna add enough water just to cover the meat. So of course I never ever add all the water at once. So I add some, right? And then I kind of move around the meat just to see where I'm at. And then I'm going to add some more water. And then I'm also going to pour a little bit of hot water into the container that I seasoned the goat in. And then throw that into the pot as well. And then cover that and allow it to cook for about an hour or so until it is soft to the joke. So yeah, so just add the water, move that around and make sure that it is covered up, right? And Vibes fam, guess what? As I said, here I'm adding some garlic and some pimento. and then just shake that around, and then we're going to cover it and allow it to cook. Never add a lot of water all at once. I almost forgot my ginger, by the way, so I grate the ginger and add it, because honestly sometimes, Vibes fam, you ever think say, oh, it's another piece of Irish and you bite into it and it's ginger. I don't like that, so I prefer to grate my ginger. So yeah, never ever add a lot of water all at once to your meat. Just tip and go, tip and go. So yeah, Vibes fam, this is it. About after an hour and change, and then just let's test it, give it a joke, and you can see that it is cooked. But I'm not doing like just one piece. I never just stick one piece. I always stick a couple of them just to see, because you know, it's all kind of different parts of the goat in there. But yeah, I just want to make sure that it is cooked. So here are the rest of my ingredients that I will be using. So I'm adding some Irish, onion, sweet pepper, and thyme, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and stir that up. So of course, the blended seasoning already having these things, but trust me, Vibes fam, add it, add it, add it, because guess what, it's just more flavor, right? And who no need to be licking off your finger and everything. You even want to bite your finger. If you don't want to bite up your finger when you're eating your food, trust me, you're not cooking the food right, because you should want to eat your finger, right? So yeah, go ahead and give that a stir, and then we're going to cover that for 15 minutes to allow the Irish to cook and everything to come together. Added scotch bonnet pepper. So yeah, 15 minutes. And this is it. Oh, the pot a bubble and a bubble and a bubble. We not in no trouble. So yeah, Vibes, some beautiful. And here I'm adding some black pepper. Yes, I'm adding a little black pepper. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stir that. Oh, mix it up. Niceness. Yes, yes, yes. You can tell, say it's so nice, right? And then I'm also gonna add some carrot. So because I didn't want the carrot to cook and soft and mash out and whatever, no, I always add that a little bit after. So go ahead and add some carrot, and then we're only going to cover this for 5 minutes, 6 or so, but not too long, because you don't want everything to mash out, right? So yeah, go ahead and stir that up. And taste it, Vibes fam. Taste and make sure everything nice and corporate set, yeah? So cover it 5 minutes. Ooh, Vibes fam, did you see that nice, beautiful deliciousness? Looks so juicy. Okay, let's just pour it out into something more presentable. Oh, steam, nothing like a nice little facial, yeah? A nice little steam up facial. Love it, love it, love it. Look pa nice little meat, Look pa nice little meat come true. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have a nice bowl of curry goat. Look pan it. The Irish, I see you looking so nice and lush. And look at the meat. Can you tell that it's so nice and juicy? Just so, I just want to bite it. I want to bite it. Vibes fam, look at it. Just nice and nice and nice. And then the steam just make it so delectable. Vibes Sam, trust me, this is so good. Comment down below and tell me what you would have this with. What would you eat this with? Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Vibes Fam, share my channel with your friends. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.